Hey there, Moses. I believe we talked to you about a couple days ago about sending you this video, so here it is as promised. So today I'm going to teach you 3 tips that you can implement onto your website yourself that will help you start bringing in more traffic through your website and therefore close more deals. Okay, so I don't want to waste too much of your time or mine, so let's get to it. First of all, Moses, Google and all these search engines, they absolutely love content. Okay, as you can see here, everything highlighted in the blue, including your images, is considered content. So you want your content filled with keywords. You see here, even uh, your logo. If I save your logo, see how it's saved under logo. You want to take your logo off, and you want to do this to every image. You want to take it off and put it back on, but saved as a keyword. And by keywords, I mean the words that people type into Google when searching for your services. So, for example, fence repair, Louisville, Texas, or fence installation, Louisville, Texas. So you want to do that to every one of your images so that when Google crawls your website, it finds a keyword that people are looking for. And also, you want to add about 1,000 words to your front page. That way, you can add more keywords and fit in more keywords, right? You want to fit in every keyword that people are searching in your area for fencing. So, I did pull up a couple of your competitors. There's a Better Fence Company, there's Lifetime Fence, and I put you guys on this tool that shows me your stats. Okay, these are your stats. Flores Fencing LLC, and then here's a Better Life or a Better Fence, and here's a lifetime warranty. These guys have 88 keywords on their website, 59 keywords, and you guys have 22. Let's go look at them. See how many you're actually being found for. So in order to be found, you need to be in positions 1 through 10. As you can see, starting from this one down, you're not being found. Okay, so Flores Fence, you're being found 70, there's 70 searches a month, and you're almost at the bottom of the page, but you're still on the front page, so that's good. But you're going to get some calls. Spanish Fence, 10 searches a month, you're in the second position. And Spanish Fences, 30 searches a month, you're in the first position for that, so good thing. So you're going to get a fraction of those calls, but you're missing out on all of these by not being in first position or even in the first page. Fences in Spanish, 100 searches a month, and you are like on the 8th page of Google. Fence in Spanish, 2,400 searches. That's national though because it doesn't have a location after it. See, concrete Louisville. Uh, so as you can see, there's not many keywords on your website. So let's look at your competitors here. At Lifetime, Dallas, Texas TX fence repair, 10 searches. Dallas fence repair, 70 searches a month. Fence repair Dallas, 80 searches a month. So these guys are being found for a few. Fence repair 40, a few more than you guys, right? And if we keep going, it's in the hundreds. And if you look up all the other surrounding locations, Fort Worth, um, what else? Denton. Let's see, Dallas Fence Company's 90. Fence Installation Dallas 80 searches a month, but they're not being found either. See, 11th position, second page, second page, second page. Dallas Fence, Dallas Fences, 150 searches, 150. So there's 300 right here. See, there's a lot of jobs that you guys are missing out on by not having these keywords on your front page. So I just really wanted to emphasize that for you guys. That is my to me the most crucial thing. So the second tip I have for you guys is backlinks. What a backlink is a link on somebody else's website that points back to yours, and that's how you get power on your website. This UR is the front page power, and this is the overall website power. Now this right here is yours. 5 on your front page and 0 for your overall website. So you need to go after high quality backlinks, okay? Because not all backlinks are built the same. So you want to put links on powerful websites because some of that power actually brings your website stats up. And if you have backlinks on weak websites, then obviously it's going to bring them down. So your third tip that I have for you is actually on the map pack, which I think you guys are on the map pack, maybe not, but you want to get citations in order to start ranking on this map pack. What a citation is anytime you list your business name, phone number, and address on an online directory such as yellowpages.com or yelp.com, and and there's hundreds of free directories you can get. So you want to find out how many your competitors have and get about 20 or 30 above the highest competitor. That way you can start outranking them here in the map pack. And this map pack actually brings a lot of leads. Okay, so you want to rank on the map pack and you want to rank down here organically. So those are the three tips I wanted to give you guys. Number one, optimize your pictures with keywords and get about 1,000 words on your website filled with keywords. Number two, backlinks to get power. And number three, citations. Okay, now these are things you guys can do yourself, but if you need any help, feel free to reach out to me. My name is Jose, and I am with SEO Monster Design. My number is 806-268-7118, and you guys have a good one.